Welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone sound and vibration setting. So in this video friends I will show you guys how can we mute Samsung phone. Friends you want to mute Samsung phone. So like, how can you mute? In this video friends I am going to show you guys. So before starting video friends first of all go and subscribe the channel. Click the bell icon like my video. So we will on our phone setting to mute Samsung phone. Then guys scroll. Friends, you can see your sound and vibration setting in your Samsung mobile. So guys click here. Friends, you can see your sound mode setting. So friends, you can see your vibrate mode setting and mute option. So friends, you want to on your mute option means you want to mute your phone. Guys, you can mute from here. We will tap here to mute. After mute, guys, you can see temporary mute. You want to on set how long to keep your phone mute before entering the previous sound mode. So friends, you can on and off from here your temporary mute option. So like that guys, you can mute your phone, and guys you can on your mute option in your Samsung phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye friends.